Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson from MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough of our 2019 Mastercraft X22. This boat has the black hull and black deck with the Calypso green metal flake and the black Mastercraft logo. Teak swim deck. Come up, this boat's equipped with the rear facing seats. It's got a ski pylon for skiing. It's got the tower with wakeboard clamping swivel racks, Klish speakers. That's the advanced audio package in this boat. Stepping on through, the boat's equipped with sea decking, reversible couch that also goes into a swim deck, tons of storage, built-in cooler. It's got the upgraded dual touchscreen controls, tons of storage underneath the port side of the boat here. More subwoofers for the Klish advanced audio system. Up front here you would have a anchor locker, two flipped up seats for storage, flip down bow rests. This boat is equipped with the 6-liter 430 horsepower motor, so plenty of power plant horsepower for surfing, wakeboarding, and wake surfing. It's got 3,550 pounds of ballast. This boat makes an amazing wake surf wake, and it's a fantastic wakeboard wake. Great for family and fun, holds 16 people. You say, it's black, might be hot. Well, this has the cool feel material. This boat does not get hot because of this technology that Mastercraft has. It stays nice and cool, allows you to have the darker interiors on your boats, which looks super cool. Come and check out this awesome 2019 Mastercraft X22 at MarineMax in Greenville, or check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.